Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So when I first started getting into diamond painting, or starting to learn about it and do all that stuff, I of course tried to look up all the companies that had good diamond paintings and the quality was good and all that good fun stuff. So I looked at anything and everything I could possibly find, any information, anything. And one of the companies that I kept seeing over and over again was not Diamond Art Club, sorry, of course Diamond Art Club, because I love them, but was Dreamer Designs. And there was a lot of mixed information on that I found. There was a lot of people who liked them, there was a lot of people who didn't, and there was a lot of stuff surrounding, their version 1 and their version 2.0. Anyhow, and everything's super squished in here. It looks like they just grabbed it all and shoved it in the thing with my packing slip. So anyhow, I hadn't ordered from them yet, and I wasn't sure I wanted to, plus with everything, which has nothing to do with them at all, but with everything going on, the Rona and all, everybody's out of stock of everything or very limited stock. So I wasn't sure what I was going to do, if I was going to find something from them I wanted or not. And then the other day I had gotten an email saying that they had restocked their sample paintings, the ones that you just pay for shipping. And I found one that I thought was really cute, and it's a lighthouse with like a kind of American flag type thing. It's called Liberty's Light. Like I said, I only paid for shipping, so I figured, this really cannot, it can't hurt to try it when you're just paying shipping for it. And the shipping was like $8 or $8 and change or something like that. It wasn't very expensive. I'll put all that information in the description box so you guys know the details. I ordered this like maybe a week ago, so it was pretty quick. Again, I'll put all that as well into the description box, but I do want to see this. I want to see what kind of quality they have on their diamond paintings in general, and see what it looks like. But I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on something that I didn't really like. So they have a good box, and it was, as you saw, it was boxed inside of another box, but this is a sturdy box. It does have a handle on it, but the quality of the box does remind me a lot of Diamond Art Club. It's like a hard cardboard, so it's not going to get super smashed or anything. Plus they boxed it in the other box, so it was packaged well. You do have instructions on it. It tells you everything about it right here. And then you have, I really like that they put them in this bag instead of the plastic bag. So that is a really cool thing that they do. But we're going to see. And I mean, I know it's just a sample canvas, so it's not like their regular ones, but it seems to me that if they do if they go through this much effort on a sample canvas, that the other ones probably will be like this. Their presentation is very nice. This bag is super soft. I really like this bag. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I definitely will keep it because it is like butter. It is so soft. And then you get 2 caddies. Both of them are branded with the Dreamer Designs logos, just like these 2 bags as well. So they both have the boats at the bottom. There is a whole baggie of baggies. You get 2 multi-placers and a straightener, which is nice. 2 squishies, 2 pins, 2 wax caddies, which are nice. I like these little containers. And they even have branded tweezers, which is really cool. And they are the really sharp tweezers, the stab you in your eyeball tweezers. So just be careful and make sure you keep the little protector on it. So that is going to be what I got in the toolkit. I like that they wrap it with a ribbon. That's really cool. And the canvas isn't soft like Diamond Art Club's. It's not, but it doesn't feel cheap either. It's a nice canvas. It's very I don't know the word I'm looking for, but it is soft. And then it is wrapped with a foam roller around it. And you have all your instructions in here, which is nice that they send that too. I like when companies do that. Then you have the sticker sheet. You just cut these off and you can put them on your toolkits. There are 46 colors in this little tiny painting. I'm kind of concerned about that because this is very little. It seems like that's going to be very pixelated looking, but I could be wrong. And it is a round. Okay, trying to get rid of all the super loud crinkly stuff while we go through this. So it is very small, but again, this was I paid like $8 something for the shipping. That was it. So it is a 32 by 28 centimeter, which is a 12.6 inch by 11 inch. But for a small canvas, it does look okay. It looks like it will be really cute. It is poured glue and the edges are serged. So it's very sticky. It doesn't look like the glue goes all the way to the, it doesn't go all the way to the drill field though. I don't know if I can get you to, you can kind of see it right there. It's like stops right in the middle of this row, in the last row. So that's interesting. It goes all the way to the edge on this one, but it doesn't go over, so that's nice. Like I said, their canvas is very small, or soft. Looks like their drill field is, the symbols and the numbers and everything are clear. And it's making my camera go nuts, I'm sorry. It is clear. I don't see a lot of, I don't see any issues necessarily, but these are all going to be things that are going to have to, you know, see when we get to it, when we do it. So yeah, that's that, and then we'll look at some of the drills, and then I'll count them and make sure I have everything off camera and let you guys know in the description box what I had, if I was missing anything, if I had everything I was supposed to have. This has a hole in it, so they're all over my desk. Oh, you can see them right here. They have fallen out, so I'll have to let them know. I probably have that color somewhere in round, so I mean, it's not the end of the world. Pretty much all rounds are rounds for the most part. That's a very small bag of 310, which is a very small painting, but it is, you know, I've seen a lot more than that. The drills look good from what I'm seeing here, but sometimes you don't know until you get into a painting whether or not the drills are gonna be trashy or not, but they look good so far. So I'm gonna have to clean up this mess, and like I said, I'll put everything in the description box, like exactly how much it was for the shipping and when I ordered it and when I received it. But I mean, so far I'm not seeing that it's anything horrible, but I'm gonna have to clean up this mess that is now all over the place. This isn't the first. I mean, this has happened to multiple canvases that I've unboxed that we have drills spill out of a bag. It's not necessarily anybody's fault. I even have one from Diamond Art Club that did that, and I contacted them and they immediately sent me new drills. So I mean, I'm not, it happens. There's nothing you could really do to prevent that. It just is what it is. It's something that can happen to any company from any, I can't get this out. So I'm not mad about that. It just happens. But anyhow, this is what I got. Like I said, I'll give you all the information down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye guys!